Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we're going to do some crafting, so let's get started. Okay guys, welcome back. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is the two things I'm going to be using is cornstarch and silicone caulking. So I'm going to mix the two together like a putty, and then I'm going to flatten it out, and I'm going to try to make a mold out of these metal gears I have, and let that set and see if I can make a mold out of this. And once I get that done, then I'm going to do the same thing again and make a putty, and then I'm going to put it in the rubber mold and see if that will make this mold, and so on and so forth, and see if it's sticky like the other one I did with just silicone. So what I'm gonna do is open up the silicone. Okay, so I'm going to flatten it out. Just like that. I'm not sure if these gloves are helping or hindering, but I'm going to push this all the way in. Give me another one. Push this one in quite a bit. Push this one in quite a bit. And one more. Okay, so we're going to see if this actually forms a mold or not. I'm going to set it to dry. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to clean up a little and then I'll be right back. Added the silicone, so I've made a ball. So what I'm going to do is, I did exactly what you guys saw me the first time, except I did it opposite this time. I'm just going to push some down into the rubber mold, just like that. Try to make it as flat as possible, and I'm going to let that set. And then I have this one, so I'm going to do a small ball again. I'm going to push it down in to the mold. Small ball into this mold. It does dry fairly quickly, so you want to work as quick as you can. So I have this mold done. Let's do this one with the leaves. Just like that. And then I have enough to do, let's try a key. Okay, so what I did was, it is extremely messy, that's for sure. I put some cornstarch down, just made a little hole in it, and then I added some of the silicone, just like that. I did one squeeze, and then I just tried to incorporate it together until it became a smooth ball. And it seemed easier having the cornstarch on the table already. So okay guys, so for a quick update this is one of the, I believe, the first batches I did, and it was just too dry. I put too much cornstarch. I did take out the gears that were in here, but this is really flaky. It definitely didn't work. So this one was a fail. I also, in the same first try, I had this one, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is just crumbly. It didn't work. So if you do put too much cornstarch, it definitely doesn't work. So it just didn't work. So there's a leaf, which did kind of work there. So the leaf worked. So I'll let that dry. But the rest of it, yeah, no, it definitely didn't work. It was too dry. Should have added more silicone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean these all up now, these ones. These ones are what you saw me pack first time. They're pretty moist still. I just used my putty knife and scraped off the top and got them all flat. So I'm just letting them dry to see if they'll be okay when I go to pop them out. I'll probably leave these overnight and check them tomorrow because it's not a big deal to me. I don't need them right away or anything, so I'm just gonna let those dry, really dry, and then take them out. Now this one is a little bit more firm. I did take out the two, they were, what were they? They were the hands to a clock, and they did work. But I think I took them out a little too early because they were my testers. So what I'm going to do is still just leave these gears in there for a little bit longer, maybe another couple of hours, because that was an hour since since it's set. So I'm gonna wait and let that still dry a bit and see if that will make a difference. So I'm just gonna clean up what I did fail at, and then I'll be back when they're dry. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. Bye everyone.